said beep, beep.
That's a GoPro saying, hey, I'm working.
Like that.
I think it's just the electronics in the truck humming. Isn't that cool?
This one is... Oh, we're so close to the ATVs. Wait, we can go on that part?
We can't, but they're going on that part. Isn't that cool?
Why was we...
I've been on that part back when it used to be part of this track.
It used to be a part of this track?
Yeah.
So you can choose which direction you want to go?
They've just experimented with a lot of different layouts over the years.
So sometimes they close this road, sometimes they close that road.
They just make different paths from time to time. They've kind of settled on this one though.
And this one's been staying the same.
Yeah.
Are there any other ones? Are there any other cars that they could do?
For the Raptor course?
No, like other horses and stuff. Like, do they have cars for? Do they have horses for like trailblazers?
They have, no, well, they do. Well, they have one for like trailblazers and Jeeps, I think. Then they have several different ones for motorcycles and several different ones for the those vehicles that you just saw, the UTVs and ATVs.
Several different ones for ATVs.
Yeah, they got some short ones and they got some longer ones. Some of that are a lot of jumping and some of that are not so much jumping, but more like crawling and stuff. So there's different things for different people.
Didn't you say we would go on?
What now? Didn't go where? Wouldn't go where, dude? Yes, we won't go on the muddy part. It's later on down there though. There's multiple muddy locations. That was just the first. We won't go through the big muddy one that you talked about earlier. Okay? You'll see when we get to it. Nosedive. Having fun again? Feeling better? Huh?
Shocky.
Yeah.
I liked it when AJ was going and having so much fun.
Me too. Yeah, it's no fun when people get sick.
That was fun.
You like that? Glad you're feeling better too. I know. This will be the last lap.
This is our second lap.
This is our fourth.
Oh,
Second after lunch.
that's what I meant. Like, it's our second one to make 3, so I think we should do one more lap after this to make actually 3 laps.
I think that'd be great, but I don't want you to push it if you don't want to. So you can think about it. You don't have to make a decision right now. Do you want to go fast on this part?
Okay. That's fun. The ATVs.
Yeah.
They're small. The ATVs are small. Oh, this part. Great. I hate this part.
Why is that?
It looks cool, but I hate it.
Yeah. Okay, let's slow down.
How fast are we going?
85. I can't get any faster than 85. I try.
I try to get to 100.
I would like to get to 100, but I've never quite made it.
Still working on that?
Yeah, I've never made it to 90.
Well, they just made a track where you go straight and then have fun, and then with the bumps, you could have just gone to 100 and you could see how fast that is.
Okay, here's the muddy part.
Oh.
See, I'm not going through there. We'll see how muddy this other part is. It's still pretty muddy. Oh!
No.
Yikes.
Okay, yeah, you're right. That was better.
It's all right. We didn't know until we tried.
That was worse.
It was worse.
So we've been doing the best one for now.
Yeah.
I thought that would be better, but you know what? It wasn't better. It was worse.
Yeah.
We've been doing the best one we could all this time. Oh, I love UTVs.
I know somebody that went off here too.
They went up there?
Yep. It's kind of scary.
Go.
All right, lean back. This is the fun part. You ready? Oh, wow. That was a rough one, wasn't it?
Golly.
Everything okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I did not know it would be that rough.
I didn't know it would be that rough either. I never had it bounce up on me like
I'm so glad I
that.
did not hold on to this.
Me too. Huh. Be interested to see how that happened in the video. Doesn't think there are emergency signs up everywhere. That's good.
So
Make sure my
loving.
wheels are okay.
That was like a slow motion.
Yeah. When we were bouncing real high. Yeah, it was kind of like a slow motion, wasn't it? I'm glad you're having fun again. Wouldn't want to go off there either. I won't do this jump so fast this time. Is that better?
Yeah.
All right, nosedive. You getting tired?
The gravity is shaking.
If you lean back, it'll probably be easier on you, kiddo.
Whoa. Yeah, you're right. Wait, the backward. I didn't know that jump would be that big.
Yeah, yeah. You know, I've ridden in a friend's truck when he took that jump that big, and yeah. Oh,
What happened?
it felt just like that. I just I've never done it in my truck.
I think the UTV
No, we just hit it at a bad speed.
Oh.
How was that? Power slide there. All right. You want jumps?
Yikes. Whoa.
One more.
You should have looked at me.
Oh, I wish I could have. I just want to make sure we didn't crash. I'm glad you were laughing. GoPro highlight.
Why didn't you highlight the big part?
Ah, I should have. I can go back and highlight them after the fact too. I'm gonna highlight the bird too when you were watching the bird.
Wait, you highlight that?
Yeah. Bump.
Bumpity bump.
Bumpity bump. All my money came loose and is bouncing around in my console. I knew there was a reason I took that thing out. Feeling kind of fatigued, kiddo?
Huh?
You feeling kind of fatigued? Tired? It's okay, we've had a long day. It's hard riding passenger. It beats you up a lot. It's not so bad when you're driving because you feel like you're, you know what's coming because you're driving, so it feels a lot better. Well, that's what I'm saying is the driver has a little bit better indication of what the truck's gonna do because I'm driving it, you know? Whereas the you as a passenger, not so much.
Oh yeah, because you have to see where you're going and I don't have to.
Yeah. Nosedive. Go now that he's got his spins back. Some of these are just not big enough for Raptor trucks though.
Why'd they put the spin back? I don't understand. Why would they put a spin like that in this track for Raptor trucks?
Well, these turns are a little bit more suited for ATVs, not so much Raptor trucks because we're a little bit bigger. So it makes them a little bit more sharp for us. Still fun though. Just not as fun as it used to be. I got a flat tire back there a couple of years ago. You love this part, don't you? Oh, that was a rut. Oh.
Huh?
That was a rut. That was a rut that we hit and it pulled me around. Yeah, so see how those are all ruts we got pulled around. Deep spots where the tires are. See how it looks like you can see the tire marks in the floor, the ground? Those are ruts.
Oh. We got stuck in ruts?
Yeah. Nearly pulled us into the sign. But we didn't. right, that's that.
I am so glad you're done with that.
GoPro, stop.